In today's video, I'm going to be building a pit bike track on my friend's house, so let's get into it.
The first two parts of this build are going to be building this double right here and building a berm up there. So let's get into it. So we just finished up our first little jump here. And now, let's move on to the berm over there. So at first, our plan for the berm was to make it like a 180-degree, like super fast berm. But now, we're gonna make it short and long, so we don't have to use as much dirt. So here we are, just finished off the berm. Now we're gonna head on next into building up this double right here. We're just testing out a berm to make sure it's good. But yeah, we're gonna build that up next, so let's get into that. So we just finished this little double after the berm there. It's bigger than it looks on camera, but we finished it. I'm pretty sure this is going to be the end of the video because we're running out of time. But next video, we're going to build whoops, a berm, and then a rhythm section right here, and maybe a berm down there. But yeah, stick around. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe so you never miss another one of my uploads. But yeah, until our next adventure, I'll see you guys later. Bye.